In this video, I'll show you how to create a negative keyword list. I'll detail which keywords should be included and how to find them. A negative keyword list is crucial for profitable Google Ads campaigns as it prevents burning a lot of your advertising budget. Having such a list is particularly useful when you're using not only exact match keywords, where your search terms are enclosed in brackets, but also phrase match or broad match keywords, because these types give Google the freedom to display your ad for various variations of your search terms. There are fundamentally two approaches to creating such a list. First, the proactive variant, where we think in advance about which similar queries or search terms your ad should not appear for. And second, the active variant, where we identify negative keywords based on the data in the search term report. And this is how you create one. Here I'm in a Google Ads account of a German provider of roof coatings. To proactively create a negative keyword list, first click on Tools, then Shared Libraries, and now on Exclude Lists. In the old design, this option is called Negative Keyword Lists. Here we can add a list by clicking on the blue plus. My client here in our example provides roof coating services. And by the way, if you are wondering why I haven't set up a list before, it's because I've already assigned many keywords directly to the campaign as negative keywords, which then aren't listed here. Since my client offers a service, I don't want the ad to appear for search terms like Dach versiegeln selber machen, which translates into do-it-yourself roof sealing, or something like Relius Dachbeschichtung, which means Relius roof coating, which is a brand product. There are also roof coatings for motorhomes, so I would also add keywords like Dachbeschichtung für Wohnmobile, which translates into roof coating for motorhomes, as he only coats houses. Take your time to proactively fill the list in detail. After you have created it, it's still important to select this list and click on Apply to Campaigns. Here you can then assign the list to the appropriate campaign to activate it. You should continually supplement the negative keyword list to use your campaign's budget as accurately as possible. If you've been running a campaign for a while and collected data through precise conversion tracking, we can use this to add negative keywords. If the conversions, leads and customers you are generating from it are still a bit too expensive, you can significantly reduce your costs with an actively expanded negative keyword list. So click here on the campaign for which you want to find negative keywords, then go to Insights and Reports, and now click on Search Terms. Now you can look at the data, but first set the campaign period to all time, as shown here, to get the most data. I might need to blur some parts here occasionally, as it involves data from over 30k ad spend. And after you selected the right time period, you can either filter by cost per conversion or generally by costs. For the first one, I noticed, for example, that the keyword Garagendach abdichten, which means seal a garage roof, at over 250 euros per conversion can be marked as a negative keyword. Same applies for these three search terms as well. Filtering now by costs, we can see which keywords have not yet achieved any conversions, but have already used up a considerable amount of advertising budget. For instance, the search term Flachdach abdichten, which translates into seal flat roof, stands out, having already incurred costs of over 230 euros without leading to any queries, so we will mark this one as well. If we now want to add these keywords to our list, we click on Add as Negative Keyword, then negative keyword list, and add them to our previously created negative keyword list with a click on Save. Negative keywords are even more important if you use phrase match as well as broad match keywords, as your ads will be shown for many more search queries in that case. Use these keyword lists for your campaigns proactively, but also keep on it continuously to exclude keywords that turn out to be unprofitable for you with the help of the collected data. To wrap things up, I hope I've given you a detailed look into creating negative keyword lists for your Google Ads campaigns. I'm always very open to feedback of all kinds and would be happy if you leave a like, subscribe, and also activate the bell so you don't miss the next video. See you then, bye.